Dubuache Ademachi Jumediana Banawe Brasso sa Goodie Moon Sam for Yanshe Betanase Nefri Sabre Kobo Dumienu Yedia Goodie Moon Sam Yade Abramo Amananisam and Yabedikai Edia Batone Montana Ekrado what a mananisam out one bebre ye amananisam and afia the local stories outdoor Yabwabuano Yedrina Twaso Ade Amamu Shaniso said Dumienu 12 o'clock and Yabeso Jumedian so and ne yes so Jumedian super birthday boy Ali Baba Dankambari Ali Baba Dankambari the birthday boy wano and the breaking news Jumediano Ebetwaso Ediamaye me feda shebra so indie Dumienu and ye de beba na wiye Tony Montana bibia fine there.
Onyame admo hin bibia fine na so.
Bibia okay, bibia okay. They say Premier League no omuntimi abehase no no.
You don't say me but stay tuned.
Oh okay.
Okay. More on another pair there.
Okay.
Okay. Some the doors.
0507168557 0507168557 0244 263 Me feda shebrena so e wo Kesben 93.3 Tony Amanoni
While yen to find out some ACC or Mama Yen Shan or Answer say and from UEFA 4 or answer as when a UEFA president or run D Eddie Alexander Safran so Abon Commandant Peduaka and so and after World War I I'm near their football exercise after World War II football answer sign and today NHS after coronavirus no football and so a bit me say said I'm on the medical experts Eddie Kuma Obi as said the Germany starting league now empty stadium no ye be bossa until say be next year and Sana fans benya kwan etim era stadium no and as a friend enso eya no say already very sure say very soon fans ebenya akonya no mo enso etim akọ various stadia etim akọ supporting team said ebeya amebia enso ebetim akọ so also we the very temporary no eno enches ebe permanent say after World War I not just a football etwa so and such ebia entim amba after World War II sa football etwa so change be entim amba after coronavirus no football be sanso banso backward bra bibia one eno enso ebetim asesa afeye free way for so na yankwa Belgium emano good news NSA Roberto Martinez so etim renew contract na say there obetake in charge until say betim akokata and 2022 and sana coach no the new contract no eno enso etim end yebekia the last world cup betim ekoso Russia no obomodin ema Belgium for enso etim edie pa say the performance inti on the contract extension until say Carter, I'm 2022 World Cup year and San Roberto Martinez in the contract no and I'm enso etimi ende after young run enso our Premier League no sa ye bebo anase yembo o match this project restart eno ye kwan a o me first na for 92 games aka no o enso etimi akle ama season no so etimi ende na enna ene ne betu just say about 748 tests o etimi conducted across all the Premier and our medical staffs no emu be sensia etimi eba as positive at Watford nkwa etim enya 3 out of 6 on enso etimi test positive COVID-19 test and rather etim so na original sankanen and Watford for etim start omutrini said enra and Liverpool and Chelsea ayomodie no na sankanen and ka Watford ayomodie nanso most of the players esro so moba and we na COVID-19 omo enso etim enya bi na Jimmy Carragher oya legend Emma Liverpool so about bonten was on Chelsea especially attitude that Troy Deeney one enso issue was the safest place also called a training ground sense before the players in ebe training obia ya testing ama fit we or ya positive on the training ground so a sense only ya between sanko for into the safest place to be a training grounds into Jimmy Carragher on enso a blast Troy Deeney and what for players now on air to say and ya that training ground so be call ochina and enso e ka hon we any some Jim Carragher enso etim ede ababa tuja na yanko Arsenal fonso asroye Mambe Canada sa Arsenal fonya Alex Lacazette no betim eja ne kwan na ate sa Arsenal for enso a short interest Thomas Lemar obo Atletico na dieba NSA swap deal ebetim aba na Arsenal for aye Wellington betimi accept in case Atletico for ba sa amode Lacazette beje no ama play for Thomas Lemar enso etimi associate camper Arsenal for aye Wellington beje Lacazette kwan ama Thomas Lemar no enso etimi aba na Ruud van Nistelrooy some time back don't Fabian boy nkomo Fabio Capello a former manager Emma Real Madrid Football Club was the greatest talent what him coaching Luis Nazaro de Lima Ronaldo Muchumudu Ronaldo now of free Brazil no or no any player Don Fabio Capello said the greatest talent what him coaching also be one man in so much trouble and so Ronaldo also Ronaldo clap near the day and some near the day also maybe dressing room Ruud van Nistelrooy also coach I say I'm dressing my bon I say and Sanja clearly I'm Don Fabio so Ronaldo and a team Aquanomon son I am son and so a team about dressing room hall and Ronaldo and the biggest talent no Don Fabio Capello a team coach Ronaldo so any player what team am more problems are now away in Sapa once upon a time Ruud van Nistelrooy a team complaining Rabana players no and so a team attraction our dressing room young command for training grounds and no done a team a group training session maybe and so a team so na players Nadian training fine name officials Zidane and the technical team members no bia na and so a team ashomo first mask no and so training after the training session and Zidane and so any players ni ekasa or show players ni season enya and day after and penny for episode makwan Emma games are come team Eclair Emma La Liga season and so 8 men they come and the players no bia and forget some media speculation said yeah a bet team about Messi at the end of the season matter for a bet team agile kwan Zidane senya dia plan bia so we job bia kwan for now season 9 day and also bia a team stay focused copy season bet me and day and sana transfer plans no Zidane and so a team e dia ba betuja na Thibaut Courtois said I'm very impressed with the second phase of training session and so a question last week the individuals no team said omoye as a group necessary how much happiness na bibia say I will search UEFA Champions League any league ni start here mad for and so able me challenge for the titles and so that's why enye Fediagro na Roberto Carlos former player Real Madrid Football Club was in 2007 Kakitwa bi sanko be boy Edema Chelsea was okwa Paris and Chelsea run Roman Abramovich ekodin kumo sometimes na Peter Keyon and so honma edin kumo mani see the very last minute and I start transfer na team Pascal ya o team Adwane Fenerbahce enso football club no we and Roberto Carlos in summer enso edi tudwa enana pay say Paris Saint-Germain and Madrobia any bra epe inform striker Ellen Bratt Haaland akwadana enso ebo Emma Borussia Dortmund according to the Cape any master Croatia no mienu enso the story bia about say two class no obi any bra show interest or Dortmund akwadana say goals no all share with rampant rapidity they say there Real Madrid and after Paris Saint-Germain enso epe Sancho and Edinson Martinez and say Edinson Cavani also ebo Emma and Paris Saint-Germain football club yete say Interphone any bra say June 30th na planet me a free agent say Inter any Cavani entourage ni edi komo stade be ya Cavani enso ebetim abebo edi ama Inter Milan enso football club and Tottenham Hotspur training session and enso etim ehase na good news and so Son Min after mandatory military service enso etim report so that Son Min enso etim equal Spurs enso training grounds my training and enso etim ekoso kama yakwa Crystal Palace for so aso ya Ghanaian international Jordan Ayew any African players mo club ne enada enso etim adwane Crystal Palace bobo kama training enso etim ekoso me bibia enso aye fine by many for Leroy Sané na omaka eda Leroy Sané so ombra na oban na Martin Jason aye available say for now na Martin Jason Felipe Coutinho so a bolon at the end of the season by for Embesa Martin Jason enso ebeki person so Coutinho betim akọ enjisani ene obia na Martin Jason team prepare enso ede emano Man City for enso enya 2-year ban ede free for aso entomi competitions enya dia Man City qualify cra enso ebetim abo say Man City for aya appeal next month June ho and UEFA for enso ebetim ede verdict about bonto betena so na so Man City ban left and also entim left Manchester for bomb pempe sakobas Manchester etoso onum na Man City ban adwuma United ebetim akwakobo Champions League nemom say UEFA 4 over tennis decision Chelsea Manchester 4 finish FIFA Champions League no enso entim empo na yenko Neymar da Silva Junior 4 enso asoe na Neymar Brazil obo Emma person yeme the free one of his agent Wagner Ribeiro eba and say osiro made for nia bra enso epe na Florentino Perez akacha ne pension dream signing ebe so benya Neymar every Barca free PSG so abebo etim edi amamado mo enso eboboko no enche still possible say Neymar obetim aba abesi akan etim edi ama Real Madrid no boboko no enso ho na akronform so Egypt so say lockdown yi omo enso ko wiade ama post for enso etim achi omo na akronfo no ko wiade a omo e the face mask e hye se de be ya ye ntimi identify say asemesi na obontin ana ebe wiade enti na omo pe image bi e de akato mani se de be ya obi ntimi identify na player omo using image e Mohamed Salah the Egyptian international iconic player no na ni phone no mutimi etwa e de face mask a omo enso de show no ekobok no so mutiri anye ya akronfo amakoma ko na ya post for enso etima koma Egypt abano enso eno mudia eno enso enye fedi agrokra eno Barca training session na etim ecos no amuchemu into two groups na group biano templates eno good news and say playing the ede Luis Suarez so etim training eno kama since January 12 enya dia play etim abobo lockdown etim filter doctors no etim ama green light eno da Suarez enso etim training kama amebia enso etim ecos ye ede momo yekwa Italy so a Vincenzo Spadafora sports minister ama FIG and answer Italy enso aban de ba and say almost on the 28th of May next week the decision about the real data Sri Anon enso epesomo bo na no na FIG medical expert really din ede Vincenzo Slamini enso ekasa say there any Sri A clubs let me share ema say training protocols any niema ebogi betimi bia no so let me agree so trains on the 28th Spadafora betim announcement say that way in a league no enso eba so clubs no bia enso etim prepare yanko PSG for so ye biem thereby and say Mirolam Pjanic yate so nya ba so betim akono say PSG for enso pesaji player enso be so ba na eniema take ema Juve enso ambo kan din edi PSG ma niema enso etim ekoye enso emomo enti Barca afesi opposition say PSG for no edi sika ewrem eko yi fashion na fe Pjanic so etimi abebo etimi edi ama person yeme enso club no hene yenyina we sunu ene amano nsem no yemfansia no
93.3 Kesben FM no asugusa wutie na nano pe mo sa so share live for Kesben television so Tony Montana dia mana nsem awodo no egu abedwa fatena se yebehwa mana nsem no mo baba shine so ekrado or the newspapers no ensai ayekrado baba sa mo ache na mo jide so ho ye okay
Kwame mami fa free phobia corner
okay
mami fa free Accra Daily Mail say 45th MTN Swag Awards put on hold. Phobia corner has players asked to seek permission before granting interviews. Phobia corner no we Atebu Express of Ata our Atebu good morning was say no club will survive in a Inasi New Stadium. No Ghanaian club will survive in a Inasi New Sports Stadium. And Carrera FC for no said Eddie Abanono. Almost stadium no about 90% done. I can't somebody pull no basis in nature on maybe. Most stadium hot then will be a bar no pedu be more so. We say the energy in the people na kwame chire na sambo no tura say GCTO. Dr. Amusapon, the people and say Asante Kotoko spirit will be back. Asante Kotoko spirit will be back, and the energy also do their banana. People are printing wo ebono brekum. Bontuku Express, Kwame. Was say lata, c'est pas la bonne, the House of Folk d'Accra, au fil là-bas, toute gestion, demain, au Jerib, au Jeremité, la Kwan, monsieur, la Cour. Kwame, was say has a debeka, a caramelicha, and ye. Has a debeka, with the kind of switch, and ye, na embangiska. Mr. Isaac Tete aka Titi Brothers na ekasa asem no we la proca voici Diana de la Stars du Domalé du africaine la Tunisie le mois compensation la paix la soie adamité à tout tuer. According to the broadcast in view mo waye no Diana Stars aton player bi FN Derek Sasraku edin club africaine na nkrofo no pressure call mo so pressure so na makoko video ku wura kusie bomu ene wura fi so takraboa pressure call club africaine for no so enne ese o mo dis scan ba betum di ma Diana Stars na Diana de yampensa o mo de ko edima sika ndo mbeje na according to the broadcast say scan se nya basic ma Diana Stars o mo kwa mu be yehwam o mo kwa mu be de ye $120,000 ene reche se ne enoa domale ni jaba doma sana pipa no eka we abrié wasi Carla di Agnanase relégation Jeremité 250 bon d'accord la Stedia di Agnanase Susu la moi Tudukwa au nom de Dieu di Mame Bokola c'est do kwame abrié si according to Agnanase sports stadium na o masi no na abrié di ho asama ba o si anya ko relegation Karela for no say o mo bono o takwa gina o mo suru gujem o mo si anya ko relegation kwa ase ho e o si team se munya ma o mo ho no ene o ba no apedua bi mo so o ba apedua bi mu so obi anya haba ntenwe o Agnanase asama abrié di abetu dwano no Karela si ti bi no benya haba tawe e o Agnanase me dia asama na ba wie
Baba sa na pay cut no has multiplex no de no akosi say
de minim ne se epra ye tu om ka yanti bibia mfrim
epra mu tu om ka man ti bibia
yanti bibia mfrim
at the place na anti ase ana
o say side issue na board na discuss e wo meeting na ebe say ebe top public domain ne mo board na kansa nsem no na anti sa na boys ne so no according to me no me wita so say sa subtraction quantifri mu ne de omo mpene
sa subtraction
omo quantifri mu omo mpene da okay ne je say etu ko twen ba bi atwene
na abrian capture say an chief of staff a friend crofobia
tabi emi ngongo say abriye sa committee na se mo mfa hoda
minka committee mi si chief of staff
da bi wan fa ne kora say wo bi won say ne ko ho asam kora makora
adenta
and let's people the omo de buy no be see Mr. Bonsu no de ho no
aya hwe na papers ni hwe mu ya na
da bi o say people there
okay
say reporter do nya de asamba no de aba so what I see
but so how so to me report mom say binyama bi ko so say bem ana
me no me a sole agent e wo ha
okay
nti me da so ma printing e de aba na ma ko Mr. Bonsu akoje na
akoji anti story de omo mu bi
story de me mo bi
okay
na mum say akwese ya to bodam ti no munu ntimi ma hase no
emma fa stories ni bi ko no bo mutimi ba be fe bi ko enye ni nyina no mutimi fa
no mutimi
okay baba shai
yes amasa
okay
isure chiri kwame
baba o
ma mi fie mo ba lady anom I fro na me yere Sakina na nkora ofi ono titi nkora video mo birthday m chew mo nyina
okay baba sora nawa azumi
sora kama Allah da kwana uku uku Allah da ran sabu za mu sallah da yadan Allah
achuti ase morning pachoti ase
say ai dichiwa no omo ya wi ana say drusen
ano ka say
baba am so aka say na ka krebu mo wi asa na no mo wi
ai o say aka 3 days ai no mo wi is out kakra now bibia fine back from Eduma bibia fine
kasa de etro bia
odi ba jiri fa o
de nyansa na de so da say
oh za Eduma fo nyina ho ye
obia ho ye
okay e che omu nyina so okay
Frankfurt born Ghanaian super
yeah but see na the apostle himself apostle na ho ye de
Yabiadum. Bibi Aboko. Onzo apostle of God. You are always protected by the Holy Spirit.
Okay.
So that you continue to intercede for the people and for the nation.
Okay.
Because of ministerial work in Media Mon. So
you see your good friend Achi.
Yes, I've been interceding for him as well. And then Frank Nero, because they need a lot of intercessions. So they are always looking good.
Yeah, okay. One good thing is that Empire will be also Empire more beyond.
Odana sepa.
Once you Empire, Nasa adjective beyond show not your Empire, your boss free Obadio. To be a gas of Empire more. Sebian found it in the temple. So who apostle says he's praying for us.
Nti ujitumba dana sepa.
Nyami nyine eboafo.
Enye eboafo. Ene now mami sa se mfio. Mami sa
Mami ne amorone no mini be breaker. But ni nyina ye onse Germany fo ahase. Abo ayefe. Saturday Sunday. As we speak, yente adverse yente asemboni bia sebiom koboye no bonisi anase bonisi esi. So for us, we think that the omoye na ye success nti ebe yesu ade hunu de ama wona opese wono nso so sha asebo to say England, to say Spain and Italy any ade. Na Alexander Safrin na oye UEFA president and all can say ojidi ese enche kra ese say ye ma support sha say call stadium ninsem nyina ne say impo Second World War and me answer football ama football ye say ni city na why should coronavirus or COVID-19 ebe sisa football na ama football etumi akoye bibi fufuro. I would want to disagree briefly with him because World War and sense many adena a bit of different from a coronavirus, but my dream say yes the Germany for ye so we are twaso for bare 4 weeks and so on. It is possible say bit to me aye bibia e be sha says ye kakra for example ebia in a particular weekend no ebia for 2 stadium there say stadium maybe a far by 60,000 yemen nipa probably 1,000 emraho na social distance no nye adwuma gidigidi also omkrom one day you betumi kwa identify in advance which people we are selling tickets to and ebia ebetuma regulate time on beba in their mask and all those things. So I think ninsam na okano enye wayward it could be done, but they would have to be extremely careful. One, they will need WHO ubehia Omicron apeso ye no aban no munkrofo ne health officials nyade. But I still think that it should be possible, even though it be a COVID-19, no, it should be possible, say, ombetuma start say, omo yeno, it be a kakrakra, stadium for 40,000, it be a babayara, ye say, ne ye just supporters, it be 1,000. In Tubehunsa stance in mono, wait here, nabako ye bear 4 or 5 seats away. At their place where seats are numbered, seats or tickets could be sold, specific seat ato, in the end they could regulate and paying for our stadium was still was near the betima regulate amount for no mako acquisition, no mahresene and Yama Bisiako. Uko England, I'm say Troy Dean in the Neogini Dinkakra, but I think say Jimmy Carragher is being a bit unfair on Troy Deeney.
Now we ending komo kakra na yani Okocha ending komo ene Kumasi Asante Kotoko mo kopie mo koto mo ne Emmanuel Clote insensem no.
Onyame bibia e fine. You know ka say wo hen?
I am patrol me wo Accra to Accra High Court.
Oh, okay. Boy, komoka cry. The TF4 ne nipa dodo na nim ne say as far back as some 2015 and Asante Kotoko sign a brand here friend Clote. Obo 1 or 2 match per and no tem etete. And then some no kokon hwa fedie experience for eco FIFA ema omo agi omusika efi Asante ko eno nyina da nyina anim ne anim ye se Clote nso so de Asante Kotoko nso akokọ tensem no ya bono ni nim se ne no kopie mo court sen na niam siko e wadama
me da se Frank sen e udi kan na nyafi na me sign go back na match to me no mu na waka no Clote di crowd ya e ba court se ya mana train for 2 years into yen compensate no nti asem na yekoba na yeko na yetu ahyeda na tintini teti amane se nde na jeje no wotina na adwam na obua asem no nti ne yekoba ni se crobia adi nkunim over in an Clote so Emma court no sign fine of 5,000 Ghana cedis Upiama Masa Asante Kotoko.
Enti Clote betua 5,000 Ghana cedis court no man period the betua say sika na say bia enkopim sa brei na wetua
one man or up to 1 month.
Na minim se bia wanya chance ene mpanyimfo ekogire mu ma Asante Kotoko ni bia di nkomo a de asie asekere ne sen Asante Kotoko ehwe ni mu se bia ono nso so beye bibi de atia Clote ana se bia oji se sika ni wi a Kotoko e happy and okay bibia kopen baby ada.
For now the more represent Kotoko lawyer back lawyer Boafon para ni bi Usman lawyer Boafon kan san timi amba to Usman afada back na a champion NCC deputy organizer also representing Kotoko na Akoto NC menu
Akoto Kotoko IT officer okay
Omana ebedina muma Kotoko na nka say ekendi na nakwa me baba nti ya metie se nakwa me ewukumasi nti oro no mfa bo ahye sanko ku me no mbe ka me wo kota na me se kota na ni argument no o me to ma wa na me mu nyina akoye nti ni omo kan say for now de omo ntimi enka say Kotoko de beko because penifo na asum omo nti omo de asane kwa ko dan penifo ni Kotoko penifo be ka no ene na omo de be ya adwuma ada say omo so omo si Clote o sense omo de be chenso Nina Kotoko company for now. The Bibisa be free aba, a be free management to her. Into a month as say, you to your man, but on one bed, Gina Kotoko, and I say, lawyer and idiot. So I didn't find the side of Kotoko. I want to buy anyway, Juman. Am I? Victory Abba. It's a more per se, most time you could to call water. Mona Mobechan is a lawyer, as a sign at area, this is your way see a time. And here's your man, and running in me. It's been now what company for us to say.
Okay, Okoche bia we be last question. Minim say oye police ni dey na ensem no tibia sepa say no wasi akirikire mu dia man no. But pempi say atemu no ba ya na omu nsem bi omuka. What the come here to say Clote se Kotoko mum na ye mfumso ma ono yama na tenafia. Ene ya judgment na ba say entisa no. Asekire ne say anyembia Clote mum ene bia obedede Kotoko. Ema Kotoko koye sa mfumso no mo de register no ara.
Yeah, and according to judgment, and a judge in the Sikai, was who Nintia Clote de Kotoko, about me could judge, Yaman and American, judge in Kana Americano, was who Nintia Clote de Kotoko, a bar, a be and the term a cotton, the term of Clote, even now on Kotoko, a niche. In thinking Nicolas Clote, a day Kotoko, it in the backward, because I would never put that we need us so be into court na my ati as na Clote ni hu kwansa na say we dey local so dey Kotoko be backward but ni nimba bi on fire otimi nya sa atumi na we dey buy nti wabu asamina atia no nti say Kotoko be take Clote on so is up to Kotoko company for so some dey be chain so is up to them the court ni wa my ati as say na Clote eni power bi ana say nyina so bia we say Kotoko na ma na atena hwe for 2 years no if it was sanko so kura ka say temo omoye ni omo cross examine no wo ka se oni asamwajan na asia kan na ohebe bia asamwajan abobola kwa koduru na nka wo se sambre ho na so no kudu ba na me se Kotoko ye ni santi no ma asamwajan atu anamo ajan na jeje ni bisa se die na kire se ono asamwajan na oni na abo bolda wo omanti ansho SB court mu ye fredi bi SB se adansie nka sense a wo di mani picture bi kura mu a kire ko ne asamwaja na egina ho ya a kire so na asamwaja tu sa na mo no ba ni nyina no mo ntinya anye de am provide ntina kire se Kotoko andi ne sabe abro bia
Okocha na Clote na nkasa oba court obi
mpacha na obai
antine no ho
ai obai
na verdict ne bae no uhwe nanim ana wakasa say no hu no na maye hu court na edi asem no district court high court ana den said e be hu se bia obetima ya appeal bia na bibia
court ne high court financial court too high court nyese circuit court high court financial court too and as asem no omukodi na we send this na ni mood route we say na waya basa because Clote ni nimino no nya sana ni hu ne nde wotumi sa verdict ni ba bonte no na wo hwa ni ba bi a wa plan e bi a wo said bi ni mra ba wotumi se bi a wa ne budget e bi anka e buti akro bi a ko banya kakra di na ko so di atoto no ba e ba sa na wotumi se na ni mu aye ba sa na kwa de okay de no nya happy pra ya pon ya na ja ona na lawyer tum mo fa so wa mo ko ya ndi ni no kwa ya appeal and it's up to them. So movie say or they are satisfied with the judgment and they are no problem.
Okay. Maybe I'm do BC and can be saying who say Kotoko na cost of 5,000 ya award ma omo you satisfied because who sika ni asem na ye ka ho asem na a cost of 5,000. Kotoko was satisfied?
No. It was Kotoko lawyer and Kurampo no e sorry ka say amount na cost no the mine is but yeah you know my say if really be file addresses now Kotoko dem ba Kotoko ba di you can buy but not so one you Kotoko
Chambacho sisubiem usi Kotoko de ne de ba na eden
Kotoko ye free be addresses the move na area ma two lawyers no kwan so be an fan addresses mra and fan judgment na ide aba normally ma be 1 month but we no Kotoko according to Kotoko lawyer no we di kan de be kura ba dia kurote lawyer no but na Kotoko addresses ni any judge ne docket so enti ene na ma cost no o kan plain say ene na ma cost no anti anya de an cost because Emma Kotoko lawyer no kura edine na addresses na chrese ni di ni awa ko fare wa pia na o de receipt ni na chrese o ne kura mpo eni di ka e file first and I just say so amanda kan in the docket so nti e ma ho no ye nimba bia e Kotoko ayi ne ko fire anti number top judge no docket so a and the o judge na so di agu asam di me sure say wonya sa documents ni nyina ga menya sure say ka 5,000 nka 5,000 mi sure say ka scan be cost but yada nyame ase yede ne ehwa ne say Kotoko ayede awene iti and that's the most important because nka Kotoko san lose ya ga me sure say nka sitanka Kotoko base na etua makulute no nka be different story
wo hwe say nka yede ne toto asamoja hu idi a ne nanke bi abasilica ne ekusi bi ama kloti na ono so akwetrem because okocha my influence ya ho na ye na wase na so nim say Kesben se ne o ye no bibia atofo na wa me aso ate addresses ne dey very technical nti ye be fa ne say ate ba yen share dan tiase
well Okocha and high court two the in some pupium mano clote and Kumasi Asante Kotoko case no I award the cost the Tiamano clote 5,000 Ghana cedis tua within 1 month and from Kumasi Asante Kotoko Babasonaro you foreign and
fama no crazy my dream say Jimmy Carragher onya abutre kakra ma Troydini se ne ba a oni ne ofi no akra no se ne osi no o suspect bibi kakra nti on pese enra no or no be training on to me when he still also thinks training grounds on Shedanye save. He's the captain of Watford. Watford is Nipa 3 player bako and other officials me enya COVID nibi and they were supposed to start training yesterday. Watford players never anko. I'm not too sure. Jeff, so Watford from the relegation zone.
Yeah, they're struggling.
Nti omo no mse bona ye be bona nkasa kra no. Ombenya nanka ya mo. Ene chinchira yesi ye kwa akobo. The players ni be so ntumi nko training. TMS ne nema bisa.
Fred, mami ntio so.
On foreign.
Kakra bi na.
Okay, ndem nyakwa nka but you see period we a very very difficult period. I think that side period we na if you for some balls ni no we ya sa financial fair play they say ye adwumani hu how abetimi because you see all sectors of economy be elusi especially with football. Now, obi eye the budget, obey your projections. So run a proper footballer, obey your projections, obey your budget. For instance, Uko Englander, I think Tima will make his kappa from match day revenue. Manchester United, basically because of stadium size. Number 2, a normal beton match day sales. And yet we are souvenirs normal beton. And second, I think is Arsenal, if I'm not wrong. So no, But in terms of ticket pricing, I'm saying Arsenal they are higher. On average, Arsenal they are higher than Manchester United. But Manchester United stadium is far more than Arsenal, and that's almost so much to normal be. And obviously, se nipa do a bar, this will be a third one one city. Na kakra bi ba no be a third one city. To me say do no e dem bedo so anche we. Into when me na be ko into projections away for the season no. Match day revenue. Manchester na no ma issue statement say ma support bia nyese Old Trafford ko be me ko bobo kra ma obi amba hobi. So it's going to affect to be a revenue. Hano na onuma almost a financial mazano. Manchester City, Chelsea, and one adro made dynamic and kind be about Roman Abramovich and you play me and son. But on the protection and what they said Donald Trump there no. £1.5 million just to protect we say anti-missile den in our airplane cost £66 million, but security features our airplane no quite £1.5 million. Airplane to me host banquet and I say you had for the 30 or office or kitchen or we say or airplane no. Into another side say if Chelsea is not getting or making the revenue expected to run the club, obetumatu no side to butume is card and Chelsea for Monfanje. Do you understand the best? Manchester City the same thing. But what about other clubs?
It's gonna be free fanaba.
Be free fanaba. Into say per se level playing field. This is where it be a financial fair play need to be ejuma because the financial fair play no.
UEFA say omo ka say omo be soften financial fair play restrictions after COVID because of what has happened. Maybe they may allow
I may agree with them because maybe I do the same no. Obi abesofa enti obi on the papa obi no say be obetima support it omo di no mo be chiro because if you don't want to leave all the clubs now because these clubs no Manchester City, Chelsea, PSG because they have rich owners no ama omo expenses no so kosoro what them say because say sikabi ompe omu saka enti ama omo no budget ni no mo be projections mo be no figures no was because they have the backing. In the same way, if Uncle cancel contract in sponsorship no manoma Modema clubs now, how are they going to survive? In terms pretty sure says a financial fair play and say who be here doing the same here as to how I'm modernizing it to suit the current situation. Make it important.
Jeff.
Actually, so it brings it to the point where you have Fritz Keller, who is the German Federation president, Nicolas Rummenigge, proposed to say there should be salary cap because of this COVID-19. There's a proposal they are putting together.
Because if the club, so particular club owners and who are so richer, a bed then with me contract no be asa no sign contract nenra. No in say Obama cha nipa se beba obeton we o sponsors we this car we anything na so ma on any sign is our contract no. Na na sa no money nyina sisa. On the new normal. Until then, how then do you go about it?
So they are proposing for a salary cap. Say UEFA can say club be anywhere obetimia spending let's say more than 50 to 200 million euros a season on salaries of players. You can't go beyond that. So that clubs now financially sound like you are saying, they will be protected. Their players also be protected from the oligarchs, the big financial.
You and I know, as we sit now, Manchester United, about 200 million euro now. Manchester City, about 200 million now.
We friends at Barcelona crowd 583 but that is what so and they said that it should be backed by UEFA law. So how it's going to turn out is going to be very interesting because oligarchs like Newcastle, Saudi Arabia Public Investment Fund so they control a lot of stakes and investment in those respective countries as well, and influence in even the leaders of those nations. And see how this proposal is going to pass, very, very interesting to see. But under normal circumstances, very easy. What should I say? It's only football, MLS, ni Canadian football. What should the big nations, no football, difficult to implement that particular policy. For instance, Qatar Investment Authority, Ediora France, through PSG, as a vehicle, paying sports, we have no idea. Now, immediately you do that to them, you are going to affect their source of revenue and other outlets are using football as a vehicle and as sports rasa a business. What do you say? Because Oman toss a superstar star, Oman to me and project kunu and kobe biopesomoko. If you have to make sure there's a salary cap and the ebasana, you can't attract quality or top player. I'll bet you because salary cap they say Mbappe ni name and kwanza as Scano meaning. You understand what I'm saying? That's what the challenge is. And there's Obia and Timin Koko Robi Diemu and Kotola Kazet, Odi Azano Bamiang and Frio, Bamiang Betran because there's Aketian and yes, Bruce Obia be maintaining place. It's very interesting. COVID-19 there are a lot of interesting dynamics, any discussions ever. And at the end of the day, we'll see the one that will be helping football. Philip Billing. I think that I must say also my account that say Amaju Melvin Pinnick. One of the success stories after electing, so in 2014, I confess what the Nigerian players are. I want more Amaroni. I think on African continent, there's no every president more successful than him in that direction. It's been a personal project on one. Now, Philip Billing, yeah, very brilliant. I mean, central midfielder, Obama Bournemouth. I mean, anybody who know, or a very good player. Now, a Nigerian. But also born youth football or the Danish under 19 and under 20, and so almost kasa and finally Amaju Pinnick nene mami a boy no so idea to after speaking to the mother that Obabe bo ama Nigeria and after COVID-19 and everything he will switch his nationality from Denmark and then come and play for Nigeria. Almost last week so Ovie Jare oil Liverpool loan player to Reading. Ononzo the parents are to finally say Ononzo will switch his nationality from British to that of Nigeria. Bakwa Amaju Pinnick before the lockdown wako London 3 times. Eberechi Eze or a QPR player or a very 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 skillful. If I don't know compare the JJ Okocha of the past. Yeah. Eberechi is or QPR very skillful. Or no, Amaju Pinnick come Nigeria twice. Any mamini papa got dinkobo. They are yet to do another meeting. There was supposed to be a third meeting. While only boy na share and matches QPR and that is not succeeded yet. Akai no kakra. Then Syrian Desenso is a Belgian-born, very talented striker, brilliant striker by our standard. Brilliant means brilliant striker. 22-year-old. Ononzo is working on get Ononzo his better appearance. So Ushua so far, he succeeded since he took over in bringing 8 quality players who are key starters in the national team. Leon Balogun Odenoba is a centre back, play for the national team. William Trostekon, the Dutch, also is playing for the national team. Alex Iwobi, 2015 Odenoba, we took over office in 2014. Alex Iwobi, brought Alex Iwobi into the team. And then Ola Joel Aribo, a fantastic player who plays for Rangers, and is member of national team. Ola Aina, who guys are Chelsea. Ola, yes, he's also a British born, and also is playing. And Semi Ajayi, centre back for West Bromwich, he's convinced he's now playing. He's a member of the team. The last one there, Maduka Okoye, goalkeeper now Odenoba last year, last year. To me, Uncle Afcon will be because now Aka documentation kakra they were not able to finish. That goalkeeper 6'6" Fortuna Düsseldorf. He's also so at least he's been able to successfully bring 8 good players out of Nigeria, but 4 stars at every point in time, and he want to bring those ones. I may have said that Ghana, we have a lot of Ghanaian nationals. It's something that in the past we do, but it's a project we should take because Omonia, the needed facilities at developing in term are competitive, playing in very good leagues. And they develop technically very well. It will make the team highly competitive. The Nigerian team now is a third force on the African continent. We Algeria and Senegal, they are third force. And so we move some already once a third force. So you can imagine what is going to happen. Britain, for the first time, it's just a Boris Johnson, the challenge they are going to have now for the first time in 1950, they might not host Formula 1 Silverstone. Because Formula 1 Frank move take pride in this. Formula 1 it's Britain 1950. The first Formula 1 was actually it took place at the circuit of Silverstone 1950. won by Giuseppe Farina. So a bad tradition of Formula One and its foundation in history, breathing. But because of COVID-19 and because 10 races already are tracked because of the COVID-19, Austria, July 15, about the first Grand Prix for the season because of the COVID-19. Now can say hosting one race in July, one in August. But they say a Britain quarantine 14 days. You know, UEFA even we're going to have problem with that because clubs now beba England, one lady Manchester City, Real Madrid beba, Chelsea the Omajo Menusu that and Tiomu the call but Manchester City will be hosting Real Madrid. The 14-day quarantine that I ever affected will be or to come back, and UEFA is pleading for exemption. It's the same thing Formula One so for players there. To me, the Formula One team, the drivers and the constructors and the engineers, they'll go to a 14-day when we have a schedule timetable, 14-day quarantine. Oh, they are here. Someone to me, they are moving to Germany. If the UEFA fail to adhere, Britain so relaxing rules no because of Formula One 14-day quarantine and one because then what it means is that it means for the first time since 1950 running a Formula One race at Silverstone, which will be very, very strange. But let's see how that turns out.
Well, 93.3 Kesman FM no asugusotie. Fred, yenhwe ansane beko break ne Emmanuel Clote. Insusan so ne saying after Kotoko etwisika bebre dia ma Esperance na court. Na say ya wo de nkunim dia ma Kotoko na.
Of course, ne say na obi do akokot. Say okwakoji sika wo ho. Na court ahwehwe nsim ne nanu say there be only nipa kroka. Na nam so nipa krono kra na wa we su time na wa say omra da ban kra nka final nipa krono so ntua. I think that we need further interpretation of the Okocha kan no. I'm say nye the nina because you see because relief scampa na Kote penwe I've seen one website report say Kote actually went to court to compare Kotoko so mumu ntua sa $180,000 fine na FIFA de ban. Of which the ruling from the status committee as a done FIFA time was so clear. You didn't need to go to court. But what I say, that's number one. Number two, say player and the clubs and the contract. Not there's any disputer. You walk on your football man, you resolve it. You can take the players as a committee. Who can want to you want to between the FIFA. Because you know the now cast or court and FIFA na a pass judgment. FIFA na give you judgment. And anything else on the now why do you go to the resort to the local court? Into the main request if you say cost no more our day and crown many request me say so. What do you mean say? Because sure Asante Kotoko no more address Kumase. Whether so many people in Kramana represent is irrelevant. Address of Asante Kotoko Kumase meaning say time be for court to be ano people would have to spend time and money to go to Accra. Do we be a soldier ko Accra? Then cry. Oko 5 bar 50 million. So one down about the same day. Because every play no for back 400 and something. Udru airport now for dropping class or quarter and require in and out to cover 1 million. Now so beside the crowd, let's just say every single trip no it will cost us Santo Kotoko. That is one person who so that's as if only one person equal
1,000 or more.
Oh, so every single trip no so cannot be that. It's 1,500 to 2,000. So me multiply. Internet we are normal of course maybe according to omunyoma there but I think that and you know here for him to resort to the local court say something about contract on the Kotoko sign here you go to the status committee what do you take to court so what did them say and if indeed say I say things and request say we went to court to compare Kotoko you don't go to court to compare Kotoko to respond to FIFA 10 if you find a judgment now you compare Kotoko to now adhere to the judgment you go to FIFA. Oh, what you mean? Into me, I'm finding it difficult as to advices. Our more advice man we see Asante Kotoko time is brought bad PR about Asante Kotoko no man bebre. To ka we nyina boma if you say in cost no issue.
No.
Kwame. So far verdict me no na abansam yi FIFA our transam so initially. Now per the FIFA verdict na buy no me ka the one in 2015 I ka say Clote entria say sika no say when tria esa Asante Kotoko tria that verdict means that near course or clothing as anticotocontam clothing a year from so and now known the primary offender. In other words, reporter experience that they come at FIFA. No. A treasure indeed, Emmanuel Cloty, or no, and a breach in the contract. But what must you see, say, Kotoko was not culpable of inducing Cloty in that verdict. Because if Kotoko was culpable and answer Kotoko before say when inducing Cloty, Kotoko would have been given direct sanctions. Or because a buy no Kotoko register near the normal tries or more practice and blah 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 blah. So that verdict indicates Emmanuel Cloty and a yem from so. Ne sans Kotoko no omu dom ye and ono mu bedi juma and omu previous situation because I'm rana omu yusu ya omu ka se Cloty ntu ya Kotoko ntu ya no. Omu se buy kra na nche because baby a twem say players no wo de sa sanction kese ne to no so a opekro be ja ball ne bo. Inti FIFA who say a club will be involved in pushing to so. Then Kotoko was made to pay because Cloty didn't pay. Honestly, at a point in time, I'm a layman. Inti se me from so I'm running from Fanchami. Nama dream say Kotoko should rather go to court and ensure say court no be force Cloty amanetua. Say sikano.
Court room.
Yes.
Why not the dispute resolution system within football like FIFA?
Yes, I was talking about court because say FIFA the case GFA status committee in the name and below.
It's not GFA. FIFA education no, and was FIFA status committee. You can appeal.
You see, this is what I'm thinking. I was thinking that equally Kotoko could have taken Cloty to court. For example, if a kuku when he has a fancy be an Japa DB, young confiscate. Na yemfa nkokon kana court ne betuma yes ade no minim se football club betumi ayire Cloty say e bia ne fie bi esi baby aban fa ne santo so na onfa nkotua sa aka no because can say Cloty ka say when tua wa Asante Kotoko kotua so I'm thinking that it should have rather been Kotoko and anan ka say court ka kire de Kotoko Cloty court say ensem ne say ne tie young football for no say on tua say sika we my experience when tua me ne kan be ba dam so enti mpamcho mo nhye no no ntue san say nyina Ghana for Ghana mra ene hwe so enti e basa de a court no say mfa ne say ampa na court ni di asem no ehwe say ne FIFA din bia no mu say ampa Cloty ni tua then they will ask Cloty to pay within a certain period next when tua bia na japade bi omo de omo sa ato no so that's why I started and pleaded on ignorance and fantasy beer me layman, but from my perspective I was thinking that Kotoko should have rather taken Cloty to court so that court will force Cloty amana kutua kana yes when tia Kotoko ntua no
but to say a process no committee ma FIFA
no this one I feel maybe me think
after status committee ni di committee ma appeal say Omun share Cloty na Cloty ntue sika no.
You can even appeal? Go through. You can even.
I was just thinking aloud. So if I say I go look at court, say court and compel Cloty to pay the money.
Yeah.
Now, who will be Kotoko? Omo become asem. Who will be Kotoko's witness?
FIFA ruling in the record of proceedings ni nyina no. Some record of proceedings ni them say ntia omo gidi se Cloty ene beda da Kotoko ma Kotoko sign inti Kotoko nye culpable but rather Cloty no inti Cloty ni ya fine no inti so wentua ena Kotoko mu
I don't think the FIFA ruling gave that. My thinking, to be honest with you, my thinking is that first of all Kotoko should have appealed. In fact, in the initial players hearing no and I say Kotoko no e kanan komu yo hu fra asem no mu. I get what I'm trying to say because you see when Kotoko realized say indeed there was something around the boy I think Kotoko stopped using him.
Yeah.
And all these things are mitigating factors. I could commit media proving actually FIFA say indeed, especially in the process of them asking for the ITC. And they be about who na so to say no munim sir. And they be a FA crown and more ITC. And immediately the government say the boy no or binding control baby no. They stop using him. And that now a freeway. Maybe if you say so open there. But as some like call states committee no, could say because of my job boy and say man bobo bi untino and for no. O ta de na say and for mo. because boy no kwa na FIFA can asem no ye hu ye ne ya twe ho nti they didn't respond to FIFA ho no. And the last club
Ubisa Kotokfana, they have an excuse, a letter. Say at that time, no, na email ni direct to the clubs.
Where any excuse?
I'm coming.
To begin with,
let me give that information.
This is a big club. Let me give
that information at least. If it's no excuse, let me give that information. Say a letter delayed at FE, and that's why they could not do the appeal. That is one way, you know. They may be lying.
Delayed at the FA.
Yes, because at that time correspondence was through FA to the club, and the letter delayed. You know, Opokun Tima appeal, and when according to the Umunya verdict, no, not almost time na so.
Jeff, no,
can person may extend it as seven kakri.
No, me one mama the point I'm person me do. You see, once went to me and pleaded. Oh, innocence war in initial stages war anything status committee no we are what you do in say obey appeal and I would want to me person do nyina mfa nto nchen say asem hia opa Frank me ntwen kura say GF mfa we mra mfamra asem hia me a say letter delay wan ade hia me Frank
no I agree with you. I agree, sir. Na me say I
said here, for instance, super so America no apply for visa we near Sibra ebia bra ukwada ukwada bra 1 o'clock around up 8
Tuesday
na wujina ho
Tuesday
what must say obakọ yesi o yenye ni ready ye be say ade hia ono the agency now be ade difference letter delay in amendment. We are talking about money here, and I'm saying, sir, they could have appealed and showed and proved to FIFA, say, indeed, and yet, more say, and I need the whole say, or say, bueno, or contract, baby, no more use, no. Then, when the time I realize our contract, they stop using him, and that the Uma I cancel the contract, something.
Oh, say,
Frank, are you getting on?
I agree with you.
And this excuse,
there has been series
of this money chair. Would this money chair?
Masa, you see, remember, you say there were a series of Enema and Ankesa Kotokoye from the first case, Omu defense, which probably was not properly done. Then appeal Auman to me Anye. And then after the case Nabano, my suggestion, I still stand by say Kotoko should have rather gone to court. Now, the current situation, court ne say Ukloti, Umedi Asem, me person me kuti court ni bia menya ni ba clote difo. Wentima improve say Kotoko ne ma otene fi a wensi aka nti ama na hwere niema. Me sure say Kotoko for betenasi. On be record of proceedings, na omo de Ghana assembly fie nsama sa aka ho say will it be important to say say abranti we ka na yese nkukutua no wan kutua enti amayen yakutua enti yese moyire no na or refund mai. Those will be areas on bedroom along.
Football. You run it with people who understand maybe near somewhere and an amount too. Football football be arena yema flimsy and inexcusable excuses. What do you say? A serious arena, especially when you're talking about litigation. Image, you see, beyond the litigation, the image and the brand of the club is at stake. One more pa and nimguasia beba na begu club no fee. Do you understand me? So sometimes some excuses you cry tenable men kampu. It's annoying and sometimes insulting because you can't come and run a club, a big club like this, and these are the untenable excuses that you expect some babes in football to be presenting. What do you say? But going forward,
to support you, there's no time. Let me be honest with this. There's no time. It will not happen. Say, for instance, FIFA want to communicate with club Asante Kotoko, or maybe Asquad Deportivo, and FIFA will sell or send documentation only to the federation.
They'll give you.
No, they'll copy.
They'll copy you.
Club, no.
They'll copy you.
In fact, the communication even is to the club, but they'll copy the FA. So the FA would make sure so you are doing the right thing. And to say we delay na FA, I don't want to buy it. Say FIFA. Assembly odi na FA Kotoko ho, and Clote ho, and they'll write only to the Ghana FA. No, they'll copy Clote, they'll copy Asante Kotoko.
They have your address.
But what must I say?
Yes.
Which address were provided? If indeed email Konama provided in the initial stages, say wronger in your subsequent communication to FIFA, you tell them say email no ya mo fanfa we na move the file be nya intentem no wan say hia opa obetu sa no mo ni nyina not provided with the correct and up to date email address of the club. Ama bibia ba wan kasa ko delay wa say because they will not almost send communication only to one party. They will copy you.
All the parties involved.
Yes, administrative lapses that the committee.
But what man says?
Yeah. These are the administrative lapses the committee is looking at as well. Because it is administrative lapse. And going forward, you see, the bigger picture is that on CS Fascian ruling, for instance, you see, Omu the Azana, Omutaya, Nena, Omukapayama. That's different. Omu they know the right thing, but deliberate. Omu the Ayan Krofan and Omu Kapayama. But in Konoko's case, look, you are going to sign a player. You need to make sure, sir, you find out the detailed information about the player and the current status. Men fat player, here, picky. 9 out of 10. Whatever a player tells me, I don't believe it.
Muchantro.
Minkasa, please. Information on be provided in relation to relationship with clubs and your free buy, you must be careful. You must go beyond them.
That's someone can correct.
Well, I know now coming man can sir. So you're very careful. And we are talking about a big club. You need to make sure that look, club of but it's easy to find out those things from even Fred, the Federation of Tunisia. It's easy to check this.
Yes.
It's easy. This are not sometimes it's maybe I am at the end of
the dynamics of sir business with football business no. Do you think say Frank only time I close a journey from Esperance.
Yeah.
I don't know if it's someone to man FIFA. And they were waiting. No more money. So Sanema club will be because someone say Omo coffee for her. The kind of money they're looking for no Clotilde alone cannot pay. He doesn't have that money. Until matite no matite. So Johnny no more money. Omunya tiso akubebia. Eduma no sa na yer money nda football eduma no money nda ho. To matite ya. No Sanema kotoko. How much no boy? And more than 2 matches. And more than 2. Our plan on the coy. Inti, what's a one young conno to tell away saying, it's
part of the game. I tricky sinqua.
They could have gone to FIFA. Immediately he left the club.
Yes. Quickly.
But you see, a club are benefiting from say Uncle FIFA and Kojiska Asante Kotoko pa.
Oh yes.
What I say? Nancy I say Nyako. Kotoko Ekobi. As for money,
Nana Oji and delay.
Cases upon several cases. I do baby Nanka so continue follow up. Gigi says Cano. If I didn't do the follow up. Enti Kotoko no and Ewusuno on why or a beneficiary and also a benefited from Yanko FIFA Enko reported Enko Giscano.
Well, 93.3 Kesman FM beda enwaba yeba other local issues wa yebedi hu common answer na no ye ne Gracebar Clinic and so bedi komo in the next 10 minutes ye ne bedi komo na afia dan enwaba yeba na other local stories wo ha ye dini nyina ebeto aso de amamo ahaye Kesben 93.3 ye ne Gracebar Clinic for edin komo na afi ya dan enwaba na ato adwumedie no enso sai na afi iti said yes iti na afia dan enwaba
ya ka se ye de dan da nyina no ye be make sure se ye de ne papa ebe bramanfo na ne de ahaban a ye de ba studio ha sei eye mrenkenso me fa mrenkenso obi se na sa ahaban we de edu Easter right mfa ndi agrokra because bebre na de osana bebre na de ne ma bebre mrenkenso kwasi ada Easter bentie pese ma manfo hu de ntia e Christopher ni Yesu na ne ntia omudi ko hia Yesu Kristo won se ye nim sa ne ma we nyina ye de kan ka se efie bo na sa wotai de abrofonkate edu esimu a eya na de no mi bi bre omo mutifie no enya sa abrofonkate ne nya aduru abrofonkate ne ye aduru na emu wotumi bi a edi abrofonkate ne so eti sa obi be hunu se abrofonkate na ye kan wasem no even wo di sifie timi dinya abefo timi kwaso atu ana se bibi no wo de be sa yare nyina echi no wo be fa sa abewe se menkan so de enti etimi ye ne ma no wo fa sa abeye de ye praye o ta se praye wi ba akọ ebomba wi mienu a uyi dodo na wuntim ye de emu ena ye wogidie nso ho se praye bia wo hwane praye wie na sa wo de pra be ma ho a etima ne be mewu ana etima be ma no kwa ne yedi oni bida but oni pan transi musa na sa we de nka praye keke eti die be nti na me de pra be si na akra wonim so onim sa praye nsa se ye de pra be ma ho but oni pan transi musa se die be tumi bi na wasa ade no munti a ema ye mfa prae no empra be ma ho se abrafonkate si fie na so people so hu se tumi bi abrafonkate no ma na say ye a wo de abrafonkate no aba no beti 5 pe wo de be hye sa menkenso aba bi so na ade ato abrafonkate aduana se tumi bi ba abrafonkate no so ade be chi na mienu afim na aka miensa pe ese abedua so o nse bibia so but ebe film amna ka miensa pa mo hu se aduana esi fie no enya edi nipa wo fie anhwa ya nkyere wa hu se edi enipanya ena sa menkenso aba ya so no sa ade atwa obi a onipa no ebe yi miensa pe no watwa o jam ne kama na de ataso ekum kuro ne kama ebie mu so obi yare bia yede na china cha eniema nyeye a obi adwene se sa yare we de wo mu na se da so ya asa no eno na wutimi fa sa menkenso aben na wate na nipa kro no ne wonam na etutu no se na beti na ne ya wo de bechechire ne nsa wo de bechechire ne nan wo de bechechire ne sisi wo de bechechire ne ti wo de bechechire ba bia ne ya no wo de bechechire fa nipa duane na abompa wo hwie a no up scissors wo de betwitwam se na je se wo bi ne de akyekyere sa nipa na wo de twitwa sa ne me se nipa no wade no
wow
so enu nti sa oba Grace Gift Herbal Clinic na se nipa na wasa me yamade bi de hye osisi achi na yetetewa e ma ne nya wanwa esanse ye no dubran ye sua kwa achiri eti ye de na nanom kwa so na eye adwuma ni ye pese me nipa bia hu ne se wo nipa bia wotumi eti mamu maye buye nu brane nimtia wate ena sa wode se kan kwakotwa duro bia enka ka me nko a enka ya yenka se me pa acho wate because du brane was so du brane so etikasa said the woman because du brane onyina obaako utu nso a etu form eti hu se du brane nsuo ka no ho ena asase ka no ho ena ono so ye du brane si wonom eti se du brane si wonom a enyina obaako said the hu se du brane bi si wonom eti we de ye de na so wa mu du bratem ti mu so sofo bi ti mi gina wo se ye yare bi ne aduro na me bisa se nyankopon oba no ma ne ni light o but on say was the rubber esha anoma nem because anoma betima akwa janyam kenya no so na busa say yede ne nyankopon nu say nyansa no eye sa de no anoma nem because onim say betima adru da bi ama wo nya cancer ete wo so otimi yedru bra bi ekuta anti cancer properties onim say bedru da bi ameni pa ya so odi nti wetima nya diabetes e de nyankopon otimi bodu bra bi ekuta anti diabetic properties onim say betima adru mre bi amonya glaucoma eti no bodu bra bi betimi aboa wo onim say betima adru mre bi ama wo be ma no wadidi ne ma bia ye ne ma bia ma mema sam no akofom enu ti na obodu bra bia eya aphrodisia se na be ya sa mre ni duru ho no ma wo betimi ayisu sa ne ma no eti ma ye ntina won kasa yare we de menyini se we aduro menyini se ne aduro enu ti na Grace Gift se wonji ndi a wo beba ne ne wo atonchia na mama Dr. Gabriel all the number na to ja answer na matozo
okay doc number ye de betu dwa number no na ewo
yeah me am fan to dwa 0246 518003 0246 518003 and I say 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 and I say 020 681 12558.
Okay. Kwame, what sense should be?
And number no, 0246 518 003 0246 518 003 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 0206 812 558 0206 812-558.
Okay. Dr. Grace Bodu. Nyamine do abre. To asomai.
Mama Dr. Gabriel to aso.
Sa. Na we wan kan hu bia o.
We dey say me ma aso ya manfo hu nkranedua.
Edebade.
Nkranedua. Nkranedua.
Okay.
On say nkranedua we na ne dey twitwi yese.
Okay.
So good say kama so it's not a map pampan bi antimi ngina obi enu e na me boss adua we so ma no bebra hu bone pa o mo de adi wa asase we so because on say e ka let it obe koye say on pese obe wa ye wo kwan abefa so ade we be ya ade e be say nyinsen ade bi akosi broni be ye bia no o hwe ade onyankopon boy ya ansa na wa ye bi ansa na possible ni benya idea bi se e wo se otimi yi obi nyinsa egu no na wo hunu se we no omode ya omode hye he that means say no no so ye bibi na so de ko hye wono ma e betimi asai bibi na si nyankopon nim se ye de ya adwene bebe ni petrim se wo se bibi so I'm saying nti bibi e besi wiase bia Nyankopɔn nim ne oyɛ na san kan na dua we de minim sa man for the buoman pa because me ntɛm sa man for twagu basabasa because ne Nyankopɔn say eye common sisi man for fie by say ne yesi don ragu no say dua we obi ho ya obu no as Nyankopɔn amana ye part of enipadua because ye na no nim say so obenya infection bi na so oba na se bia sa de we na yetimi noa ne ye de gukukom kama ne ye de ade asa ne ye de oba na tena so na abona sia se na bia sa infection ni nyina no ebeko obe so oba na sena na anka ebie no na asan ka mo na ye kuma enti ye na nanom asua na ye de emigide say nature studies no but we no mu ho a omu bu no papa enti ebesa ka wan sem bie mema Dr. Gabriel kasa fa abaka mo ho
okay Dr. Gabriel mi nti o kakra
yeah director ye beda wase o nsema na wo kan ye ba plants there wo say na nipa da se ne ani abre because you see the way ayare kika kon one hwe Ghana ye nyina besa openi your population yan
Ghana say you got 30
million population but only nipa kon e da wo mpaso and yare mpaso very good omre kon asade wo we any friend say abakamo
wow
we our friend wa ibe kasem and I say anura kasem say baba fetri and a twifo friend abakamo very good and a brofo kasem your friend bullock brofo kasem ni din no na juma ben na say bia sa de we edi o say creeping plant creeping plant the leaves no say what ni say ya na say wo de akakaduro eka ho a say wo de sa na say wo waste problem a ebetu no juma edi pa no the leaves ne keke
I see
oba or menstrual pains severe pa otwi o de akakaduro ka ho na say onomo a eno ano no awu ekwa enyere ema bio sa de we a wo hwe ne sa no so no me pa cho me fa say obi ewo diabetes and wo yade bi e friend say hypocholesterolemia I ne say diabetes e wonimu but the natural body's cholesterol no e come from because of the presence of diabetes me pa cho we kita steroid na sa steroid no and no na body no convert no into what we call HDL natural body's cholesterol so it is our natural body's cholesterol no e protecting e me produce sperm e wo ba mu a oba ti bitu nkosuya it is the diabetes na suppress sa de no ama because of that oba no cholesterol natural body's cholesterol no it mean protecting no na it mean wo it mean tunkosuya oba ma ehun so agene because of that say dua we and as a plant we any dey ho adwuma e besa generating natural body's cholesterol no back na wonderful thing e won say more na wo ya wo no one stimulate liver no ema liver no it produces 700 milligrams of natural body's cholesterol I friend HDL bio cells na say nkwamo no ai wo yemu no wo so no stimulate wo produce 300 milligrams of cholesterol in totality no 1000 milligrams of natural body's cholesterol to protect the human body and one says natural body's cholesterol no cholesterol and no na obehu say a preventive body no from all kind of heart problem and as the friend say akumayare and amoja mroso sa plant we djuma edi pa eno no sa plant ya san hwe ne say yayi me pa cho say obi awo yefru yare serious one chronic one ye ka we ene a friend say brofre an ebom na nipa na no so onumu a sa ya de na eye no e kwa ema biu ade we ya so a friend say abakamo tete Ghana na ya nananom so binya insanity and as the friend say adwenimu yare ana edam na ka omu yusu we edi treaty by na say ye refi ade we ana the friend say kaka pempen omu de kaka pempen di kan ma no na wada ansa na the we aye no ho adwuma so na sa insanity na yeden atuko but Ghana ene ye refi the uses of this but when you
common
common eno ntina ye de bi ba ye pese ma amanfo hu se hahama no enwra ye hahama no eda so e wo hono ma e ti juma ase bi ni hono eso ye common pa e wo ye kro yi mu papa na sa abaka moi waka hu nsem bebre ye pese ma amanfo hu mineral substance nso a ewom grace give the ma ye to nchia ho ne se ye mfiti prekopem fa ha ba bi nya de abra ye nim ni minerals ane ne vitamins there bi ekuta phosphorus, ekuta magnesium, ekuta calcium, ekuta potassium. Vitamins say woman vitamin B6, vitamin B12. Vitamins be brain na wasa abaya mama sui. It is a wasa wo kono maduro bi na hwe vitamins a. Ye nyankopon ye na oboye no, sa minerals no ebi wo hahama na mu. It is abaka mo so obi afu adoa. when me dey man suffer for no be afu adoa wo do abon pa ya ma na ka cha sorry members say week time na ho beton but went man for na me kire me because went me anye pa ba ka mo ha ban we say peten pe na blend na funa e dey na ko hospital na nye no o blend the man no ya within 30 minutes obekọ private onipa ni ndidi ye na funa doa
okay
ojare which is the liver na cry asay am ye na ko she mfidie bebre mu bia 1 month onidi da on call toilet da onada o blend wait 10 pedman no obekọ toilet instant obebusa aduane wow obefe amonu say yes to me be ewo abaka monim na onu say bibi ewo wiase let me be message your numbers no yes sign e de betu dwa biem your numbers no e 0246 518003 0246 518003
243.3 Kesben FM na wasuguso tie be kwa mane so na ne Professor Chumesi NSA boss edin komo e wo dwumedie so prof ya mo achi anope mo gidie so ho ye pa
me Josephine nyakopo na do me ho ye pa wo so ho ye de
na me adom yenso ho ye pa na prof renovations na te say makoko ada yin nyina na say mbebe so be na madru Mr. Renovations of the various stadia no Marco Sipon Baba Yara dia no mashase na etisɛn
oh yeah ekoyepa o say government we his excellency Nana Akufo-Addo administration no na Ministry of People and Sports on abo as you can see am Atwumampo nia MP eda no she say and say the modern has your sports infrastructure there here to turn Africa because we share the already existing ones now na Seni City no for the past 12 years this is the president before time I the ball AFCON 2008 no yenye bibian fa ho nti yedi super said the atikia pansam ni na ifisi kama na baby so ebi ni ho no but because decentralizing the sports infrastructure no every region be also no yenye bi e ho no ma wa would say no 10 new stadiums are issue all the old regions no but we are ya almost completion answer na old ones now renovation works now already no across sports stadium crowd there because almost very last phase of the renovation works no but do man this kabeshe pa zia mamuka bunu league be no 2019-2020 friends league ya boy it do okay it be born na jo and I'm say it my year am I floodlights boy do kama scoreboard good fix na change the whole environment no the pitch and all that it's simple I don't foresee with the Wembley of Ghana what I say asapa and we be na ye wo Kumasi Sports Stadium and so LCC and also started before the 53rd independence celebration now the Akufo-Addo Day independence by Ashanti region no say chassis say no ka say contractor no ho no ma Tatan Tracks no wo ye ho adwuma this no ma be ho no ma order nam transfer e ba odi be city no be ho no ma friends o share na pitch no so obey ho adwuma obey scoreboard no obey floodlights na me bomb matches and junior da bi nyina also na esi ponso a for year that time no na no so no so na esia pansam no na komanda Roma yet benya funds from the finance ministry honum na honorable minister honorable Zegesiama miamini no ne and ye de honum ko share contract and sa on so no ogusu a oye adwuma gidigidi ni nyina no kuma se ni esupon gidi nyina no o share contract na 1 year duration ye de ma omo nyina no bi mu ka de say kuma se de kwa so by October kra no is about 4 months ahead of time which we now the amaye the so far the because so far so good we are
so far so good said the renovations equals stadium enche bia bewie yate se mu twa sika bia asunye pa de ato se sa wo pese o use stadium na se sika no na wo so utua na no so any say
oh no dey say entisa say kata bia babontia NSA dey say na you bitia nya dade nemo this discussion na ekoso say I will share the coronavirus infection na ekoso ya COVID-19 this how or maybe a pandemic ni nyina no yɛn nyame ase na yɛn na sika fi yɛn leadership but His Excellency na Danko Akufo-Addo na utimi edi enim saa ɔsɛe a yɛkui uhu w'anim no nso so wɔhyɛ hɔ ma virus odi yɛnya na Ghana yɛtumi abɔ yɛn ho ban ama in terms of fatalities wo de compare ɔman bi deɛ so a na kɛsɛ yɛde de nyame ayɛ afofi paa yɛdi afofi paa wɔde ase but ɛno na amanfoɔ ka sɛ wohwɛ regulations ɛbaa yɛ no hello
Prof yɛtio paa
wohwɛ regulations na president de bɛto friends ɔde a wahyehyɛ ama Ghana na yɛde di so no bi ɛfa public gathering no bi sɛ yɛabane ɛno nso no ɛkyerɛ sɛ sporting activities no a nso nnipa bebree babɛbɔ dɔmpem no ɛnso yɛabane ɛno na ebinom ka sɛ aman foforɔ nso te sɛ Germany no wɔn ahyɛ ase a wɔn pɛ sɛ anaasɛ wɔn pɛ sɛ wɔn bɔ wɔn league no ne adeade ɛno na Ghana so yɛnhyɛ ase ne yɛso yɛndwendwen ho ne yɛnhwɛ kwan a yɛbɛfa so a sɛ COVID no koraa ɛnkɔɔyɛ no so yɛbɛtumi ayɛ biribi na yɛtumi organize a ɛno na NSA so yɛkyerɛ yɛadwen sɛ yɛba bɛbɔ matches in the midst of COVID-19 infection a still na no ɛnya aseɛ ntuyɛ no ɛne na kyerɛ conditions na yɛde bɔ before the COVID no conditions no ɛbɛsesa paa wade ase because first no yɛbɔ a na ka bi a nipa bɛba bɛhwɛ na gate process no ne a NSA so anya ne bi a ɔde bɛyɛ stadium wɔ asifie ɔde bɛtua electricity car ɔde bɛtua water car security for member hɔ bɛtua ɔmo car friends the paramedics ne adade a ɔmo ba bɛyɛ ɔde ase saa de wɔ ne nyinaa no sɛ wonni any friends biara for matches a na sɛ NSA yɛsɛ perform your role na sɛ sɛ kora de bi kora aba bɛka ho all the COVID protocol ne nyinaa yɛba bɛ implement ne nyinaa o Veronica Bakes ɛbɛba chemicals ɛbɛ supply water friends the detergents, sanitizers, and so many things. And the health workers are just having to do Mama, as friends, Lisa, friends, these thermometers are a better to be near daddy. Ambulance will be on the standby. Not be or combat will be bar. It's matching. Now your bomb match before and after. No, stadiums. No, you're making sure that you better fumigate and as you better disinfect. Nina is Kassam. I don't hear Kassam. So you have a body and the conditions when you factors the HG. So factors now HG knows where bar and also at the economy. If they do something there, the NSA should be able to just say, oh, okay, maybe if you mean Jessica way there, they have bought matches in empty stadium. At least South Canada boy am yet to meet all these demands. Because mind you, Yarian and Koyo, if you have any go any of them say, you have a bomb match after the match, they say, oh, players bear 5. Omo infected. Omo ko mu fie omo ko nom de akoya manfo and as fans on buy be infected. Sports stadium be nipa do say ni nyina no kan say first the compensation. NSA no wan sha buy na because I buy na first on show omo ni adade. Ni nyina ya so ma be hard. E die ya adwe papa ni this clubs ni na so adwe omo so say hey you have a empty stadium there and the better you try players and your transportation your hotel accommodation near that no want to be in the conditions now all the stakeholders in a transfer agrees in the midst of COVID no still now you need to say a match now and then who a canna a hold my yanko pesika you the baba friends baba manage such a league you know in the midst of this particular infection. They are not there. It's not that it's expected. But in case it can be to say because we are not saying because.
Professor Chumesi, National Sports Authority, CEO Nini Komano. Prof na Sikanswa Auditor General say more funding Fambre $180,000 and why no cre.
Oh, this auditor issue. React careful kaka. What I say because document is that one who is internet so near who social media no. Pages a letter, a document, a reporter, auditor assigned our address it to the Speaker of Parliament. Speaker of Parliament says the Speaker no why you say you win the Speaker no any Parliament no mun show. Na say first so many o mun jintum na yemfa nya adwuma. Media me no ka say me tie gwa me nya copy of the report no NSA. Minister Parliament is ka o mun discuss it bi aso sa o. What does it? And so report and that one here. The president was Shemra, president of the land. Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo. So Jemra and now COVID act was said or you be a Ghana for home by. That's what the parliament near approve and
no correct.
So Pesica project be a class. That's all your friends of the Court Parliament near approve answer. You see honorable can forget or parliament mission. What would you to Muria? I think it in the Edgema. Sir, report you could do parliament near you to maybe a baby on NSA, heading to movie bar. And I'm na me no ya bibi on ya me kakra and say enu mana recommendation woman already ne ya dada bibi to say friends or say stadiums no be na deteriorating over the years ayenye renovation work already right now we are doing it we are already doing it we show pictures as you say report no say I don't know final report no dia me hu me hwe na dia na me hu say no na esema already over the do a transport stadium as pictures who say pictures no be hard it's gone. There was a time 2015 where baby the GS4 organizing school sports be Baba Yara Sports Stadium fit be bugui Emma omono the skabi ebre omo compensation start them this 2019 some me be for 2019 am buy na me boa that 2019 report na we na nkan ho na so no 2019 GS call Baba Yara ko bubu nkonya eno so ne ka no 4 million Ghana cedis. 4 million yenti akaprekra. And no sike bia nu aba. Name the old one buy at that time 2017 one na the same Kumasi and na a host to friends national games. Friend sports festival no. And management of NSC. A director almost say and say omusika omo sponsorship sika almost change the organizing match games in Yamba. Almost say scanning for organizing name say a friend the sponsorship money in the balance the NSA and more muska or met me the no yon kunyana as omudia. We shall audit the report document now who can watch them. This kind or say they should return that funds money so that they can use it to replace the broken seats. And it is an NSA fixing the broken seats now. We have already done it. And
yeah.
Already, who are say, yeah, Baba, 6 matches, sports stadium, who are Juma, 6 I am replacing that. Right now, the whole stadium is going to be completely renovated by the fans. They identify as the NSA Ministry of Youth and Sports, Edeba, Juma. I think the report tonight says, first can almost fire, no man fire, will be education, and when it's our. They move on from all the maybe that will make sure that I sit now empty in your compensation. I sit that's why one ma a broken at the time. I'm obviously on that's one ma Yabuna Yen or Monfanye. And these your fans already from NSA. Now I think that then that recommendation is already being implemented. Yeah.
Okay.
But the other thing now this is IGF, I was a report to say IGF 2012, 2013, 2015, 2016, Omudiji, and Omu, the Sun Kata, officers at that time, no more year, Juma or anything. Some that's all. If he answer, even President Kufadoka, about the president. But also, and I'm the continuity of the institutions. It is Nipana or yet, or this argument here, the members or yes, argument. Report to the parliament, not parliament say in Chichuma. Yes, when they say officers, they get my problems on my institution, a friend departments are in charge, like the finance department or the accounts department. Oh, that's all. Officers are there, they can so indeed young thing in I would say. Now this are another Ghana food.
Okay. Prof, Ebedasi no pay when Chichuma would do Professor Chumesi NSA omo boss na any doing common. Jeff, my on prof issue no nafi.
Well, I think my main study free the issue about the stadium. Look, me 2006, 2007, 2008 President Kufuor create Kenya 2 new stadia. We constructed 2 very new stadia. Renovated Baba Yara and then that of Accra Sports Stadium. Nenya Tamale as a new stadium. After that, how well have you run it? It's good, sir. Osha, well, I have said it. That Esiama has done very well. That a lot of the sports ministers we've had in the history of this country because of the infrastructure provided. It falls within government policy anyway. But you see, maybe challenge and Nyomu ye brilliant, is fantastic. Say making sure say a lot of stadiums your sportsmen and women athletes bet me I'm making sure some benya platform amamutumrika benya the needed platform requisite one was some be developed.
Jeff Mending komo yene lawyer Buafo enim komo emfa clote insensem no ho now
yeah lawyer Buafo ne emranim ni akugina asante kotoko ene anemu e wo sa case no
yeah
lawyer mbacho ya mo achen no pay
yeah
me jiri sa ho ye
what to say no where there
ho ye pa
court implement mu program now we are come there
oh kafra and they can Liverpool asem kotoko asem kwa ne aka
saja wo said I thought the be man you asem kwa na open no I'm say
okay yeah lawyer we dey friend nya no bone anope ne nya ne ntieze case akogina kotoko anemu eye clote insensem no na entia nya nkyereze anope verdict naba na clote no ankasa di farmers ante kotoko edibem ena na yepesi ebisa especially wo mo amunim nsem ne fa na atena atesem eda import na clote ese court no nyama no denti ena ode asante kotoko court no
ayo nsem de bebe na asem ni frase ya chewo namza safu diku at time into the difference in the car on a file. Na safu diku free no na jeso mo na do said the abadity into na omode ya debra me na me course na jeso do say ya babe bonkro into na me konka me ne junior ba ko ya konka na ko bonkro no na me gusa questions no so akoto ya we office ono so represent kotoko jina dakam ono so represent kotoko and ono so jina dakam ne bonko ono mo de say yan file address ne file address long ago no kadana e file de no mo ko file akoto mo ko file ne nkan no adana no ko so file mo de na ye de say ye bua nti yeko buane de no enna na ebua ye anam so ne aye rating submit ni bibia nti no ide akra say yen de labaro so yen ya at risk nti me junior no na ekoye yo akem na man ko to nko judgment so asani message nyame adu bibia ye nti e den nyame na e den ase na nando busa den ka fa no ana commit ma ko details on but ye me ka no say onu fi say ye na kotoko phone so because ya nya pi no eninti na ma ye ntima nya pi ni tre ye se mo tu asa sikanti kotoko na se tu asa sikano na nam say the contract no so ye ba na no ninti no amana ntimi anye no juma into for some period no yin tien ni pay no entitlement and cowboy ko bit menya because we lose income yan famano that kind of thing then at the minimum commit mark more details but essentially no we na busa
okay lawyer na question a ebebisa ne say enti ebima kotoko edi no wa asemu asechire ne say does it mean say enya kotoko ene ma asansem no nyina to clote enti anyembia ebeka se bia clote mum ene dane ne hudua bruni ema asante kotoko ekodi nsensem ana
to be honest me share in katem honestly na me ti clote ase wo da me chire me hu nyina so a opeso ye because so na me imagine na me ko if you say sanko bi a offend kotoko pa dia obi a offend obi anko na ho offend because who do agent ko na buy na o agent no any be contract so we are out of contract but the car ba ko say e de yen konkoji ICT ni wa
ITC
That's right. Now, if the Kotokosu so no, they apply COI. And then it's about FIFA rules, 15 days, that's a ma. They will give you one reply now, ma. You don't know a provisional ITC.
Yeah.
Into dear friends, so I'm the brain. And my boy, in fact, or by now, but match my 30 minutes per by substitute. 30 minutes per one mobile, I made. And actually, some by say, we were not out of contract. And now, he does the same thing. I put on Timotama now. Oh, they go on the coffee farm. Oh, one sign. Oh, no, performance a Makotoko, and Yakotokono, Esperance when Yakotokono complain against me, complaint, yeah, who float. No, but what they did is so Kotoko, you're coming here from there. And you're the bunny lay baby, yeah. And no, but yeah, said no more fun. And the one only second, the point is here, meanwhile, the decision no cry and I refer to. Yeah, I know you in as I refer to Cloten, I know you in as I know mobile. So, no maintenance. I do because I'm happy. Meanwhile, for the phone, the move all happy. Now, people say this all the passes through FA. Someone say, want to deal with them directly. This is a passage through FA.
Okay.
Now, FA phone from Qua is the time Nepal. FA phone and church the moon there. This is a baby. I said I can't answer. Because Mrs. Apino sat in the Mrs. Elfred in the airport because from that spice, the piano, I probably appear the dear within time. Near the man, Elfred, some Omunia, Mount Franco. I'm an upper home. After your drum attention, I'm some fax and not saying, no, I'm fax machine. Now say, so don't attention as a movie. Don't fast going to call business center be now to fax and go. Eh? That's what the FA did. It is a problem. I'm just a friend or the general. Now, if you say you should be, I see a shed of share. Say, a cadia, but for Panic, I see a shed closely. Say, everything as a chair, now, so one is because one for your uncle. And look at an FA saying, say, your fax machine are sending now uncle with the entire. What kind of thing is this? One man, I say, we're trying to say, your bad nation closely to see my involvement. No, they cannot, but because maybe happy in the year and can be uncontested because Mintias as a quarter of I say, Bianca, I don't know, Bianca Kotoko, the end there, Kokoyan, Bianca Sabia, jointly and several years in Trevia and everything. No, because Kotoko, the one in due diligence, Kote was represented by his own agent, no signing document. After that, no, assembly by no Crotea and Kotoko sign agreement, some the contract mutually because I obviously want to be Makotoko sign. So, what again says so sounds so as a Makotoko. So, Babaji, period of one, meanwhile, no evidence establishes so crowd ball. Timmy.
Lawyer, I'm saying, I'm no more hearing it there. Omukran itia me na so say edano koma ukomu adakem no enyagro. But ansema waka eyemi waka and say
Proten nage na adakem me the lawyer need na me be lawyer for you.
Sorry, facha me. Say o no unyina adakem say cross examination no na enyagro. But asamba akwa waka me wadwi me kakra say
adwuma ya no na me di ho nti. Na just Kotoko de minti. No, so Kotoko de say ya me nyo muska. That's the only difference. And the management na so me mpaka so na mo do ho de ya na accomplice so do so me yes I manager.
Coach amuse koma wo komo ho na nyagro. But what can samba akwa ma me ho adwiri me kakra. Say Kotoko appeal no. GFA4 amfa nko ema appeal period no twam. No more explanation. Omodema Kotoko ne say na GFA fax machine asay.
Oh dear, me the who actual letter to confirm that he said that. Very funny. There is documented, and yesterday I bought it through and some domain on a kind. They wrote it.
2015.
I think so. Date no dey measure. Not one we actually be mamu. And so yeah, supporters be there na yeah management ni e di atem mo ntiase na e di management atem e no for no di. There's a correct assembly about management for yeah supporters so. And that's the be other maker. That's the difference between supporters and us. House from so one penny for a wrong ground now more back home. Yeah, even when we are right, no we di atem.
Oh yeah, the okay. I'm say empanyfo a na wo honom no. Sesa na ti a ene omuma efe ni fa no hu die. Sesa nsem wo omu pia de share carpet ase.
Answer a chain no nsem na bai. And a basso and a time like that one trace can say ya ma tem one tia ye ba no no nti one chance to no out to yan so no be deal with data na bia wo to ko ba no.
Finally,
somebody ba no ko for ka we say na munye we forgetting one point say FIFA for one more time limit be say one yeah we don't internal problem dem form ho a buffer still.
Lawyer Kwambo from the with the my final question ni. Veditaba Kwetia Clote. Se obika se ene Clote na ye nika. Ena 120 ma kotoko kutua ya. Ni senti kotoko nsontwe Clote grrr. Emfa nko aseni bia na yenhye Clote no ntua se sika na. Obeka se oye legitimate argument.
Oh, ebeshe. Just was a legal matters there. Untimin young can to Punkan, just a research in your yes, a dear family down. In fact, look on so there. I also advise Kotoko say, and you say, also, so probability no, as a can wash a man. Because the moon, man is a wow, Kotoko could tear away my akono. Almost the moon says, don't tear, that's what they are interested in. One just animal send the corner, a do cotocodia cotoja the budget. Even I could not dare not say no, those as in the year, Mubuat Yakoto, if you say it was wrong, a lot of them was wrong. But me over the years, my different Kotoko is a Bokotoko, to say, schedule baby, they are Kotoko must pay. They don't look at the thing critically. One more example, we said normalization of Kotoko, no argument said. So, coach, no, we need league. I remember so much. You know, I am only that year. What's the normalization in there? I don't know, replace the league. But forgetting the league, you know, you bonus more matches. Or more competitive. You want more matches. That's the way. Meanwhile, so be in here. Be in the league now. Because I really get a league. I can't get more time to go to the league. Who would also go to don't go to here. What kind of thing is this?
Lawyer, Anopayamze, what be a name as well, my partner?
Actually, you better have a studio. Now, church and no more.
Yes, someone cannot be became. Anopay team Zakotoko supporters messages in Ebano. Pebremaya, Nanka Brana.
You tell me, started at Mama Kotoko. Legal matters about 83, baby. I'm starting at Mama. Kotoko management for the first time 89. 89. Minu Kotoko Moon Sempa. Over the years, my representative Kotoko FHA will be a Nanoma Bebre, Nima Dapu, Nevesha Daba. You say, supporters, no time management. They just said to be an F for almost so much in Kotoko, the Esum. You can't tell them anymore. Almost say required their enemies. So I say, the woman, you don't know enemies. Because I want some Yapo, they are prejudiced.
Lawyer, Ebedasina, me can't cry, Kotokone has nature still. One and now you're involved. And Tiebe Hena Yenya was he. That's an
aspect view on involved. Maybe buy any Benyas camo. Oh, but another thing with Kotokone says a bonus is Castle, I want to become more busy and so don't have. Such as that they want to go baby on, suddenly quiet and then now. See, but suddenly, yes, I over 10 years, you know,
over release can buy.
Sir?
Yeah, that's
it.
Lawyer, you better say no pay that's a pa now a pebrina waba na anyway din komo lawyer Kwame Boafo ana ni ndi nkɔmɔ yɛba sisi ama yɛmra sisi a